Hello, sir. I am Teresa Melante. My vlog aims to explore various topics through a thoughtful and educational lens, encouraging critical thinking and a deeper understanding of the world around us. Now, let's reflect on a prompt you've provided. Number one, what physical traits have you inherited from your family? Um, as eye color, height, and facial features are often inherited from one's family. These traits are determined by genes passed down from parents, and they can vary widely depending on the combination of genetic material received. Um, Number two, how has your body changed through maturation? Maturation, which mostly takes place during infancy and adolescence, puberty, and continues with incremental alteration into maturity, is the process by which the human body growth body grows and develops into an adult form. Important physical change include the development and secondary sexual trait like breast or facial hair. A major growth spurt and greater strength during adolescence and the maturity of organ system, gradual alterations persist after puberty, including artery hardening, bone loss, and decreased muscle mass in later adulthood. Number three, what environmental factors, culture, media, lifestyle, have influenced your physical self? And environmental factors plays a crucial role in shaping physical health and appearance. For example, cultural norms can influence diet and exercise habits. Media can affect body image and self-perception, and lifestyle choices such as smoking, alcohol consumption, and physical activity can have lasting effect on physical well-being. Number four, how do you maintain or struggle with physical well-being? Maintaining physical well-being involve a combination of healthy habits, including regular exercise and balanced diet adequate sleep. However, many such such as access to healthy food and mental health issue that can impact their physical health. The last one is mention at least one theory or concept from class. Nature versus nurture developmental stage. One important theory is the nature versus nurture debate, which of genetic inheritance, nature, and environmental factors, nurture, to human development. This concept is fundamental in understanding how both our genetic makeup and our environment shape our physical and psychological characteristic. The nature versus nurture is a concept that help us understand the complex interplay between genetic and environment in shaping who we are. Thank you so much.